Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If you are new, if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and clicking on this video. So this video is for my girls who have a pixie cut or even a micro pixie like myself, and you're just looking for an effortless styling process, but it's a process that looks like you put some more effort into it. So in this video, I'm going to just show you guys one tool and one styling product that I use in order to achieve a nice look that's like face framing and also a nice look that has a lot of movement and just looks like you did a little razzle dazzle. I need to make sure that I get my skin care in order. If you are already subscribed to my channel, then you already know that I have been struggling or just on a journey to finding like some products to help with my acne scars. So lately I've been using Good Molecules, and Good Molecules sent me their niacinamide brightening toner, and also I've been using their discoloration correcting serum. I like to do that before I start my process simply because I'm going under the dryer and I don't want my skin to be like super dry or not have any products on it. But before I start molding my hair, one thing that I like to do is just comb my hair in the direction that I'm going to be molding it. Kind of just gives me a head start, and this is especially important if your pixie is a little bit longer than mine because I don't know, it just makes it faster, kind of gives you like a head start. And then I'm using Nairobi's Rapid Shine foaming lotion. This foaming lotion is one of my favorites simply because it has like a nice hold. It doesn't matter if your hair is freshly relaxed or it's been 2 weeks out. It kind of gives it like a nice hold. It's not too watery. It doesn't have like a spectacular smell or anything, but it just does the job. It's most reliable in my opinion. There are other ones that I will use and like to use, but I just like to use them for different reasons. All right, so honestly the most important part for this look is to make sure that you give yourself a lot of detail around the hairline. This is not easy. If you're a beginner, your waves may not look as intricate as what I'm doing or as what I'm about to do, but you can start with your basic finger waves or just kind of waving your hair in like a C motion. It's a lot easier if your hair is shorter because you can just do like a little swiggle around the front. Or if you're more advanced, you can give some more swoops and loops. But this is such a hard thing to describe. But if you already know how to do finger waves, then that helps. If you don't, it's going to take a little bit more practice. The more you do it, the more you'll get comfortable with it. I also have another video where I finger wave my hair. It's a really old one, but I'll link it below, or I'll just leave a little card up top here. Just so you guys know, this process is not perfect. I went over this over and over again. I redone other sections just to get it set exactly how I like it. It's like artwork, really. Also, what I find is important is to have like a rag or a washcloth or like a towel with you so you can like dry up the excess mousse. So when you dry up the mousse, you can kind of see like what you're doing. It kind of gives you like a better visual. Also, I do not like the Nairobi to dry on my skin because for me sometimes it could be irritating. Depends on if I just got a fresh relaxer. So that's important. Once I see that my waves are looking, set exactly how I want it, there's a lot of movement. And remember, we're only focusing on the front because we're gonna bring the back straight down, smooth out. It's just about the face frame. So it's giving the illusion that you did a whole lot of, but you really didn't. You're just working with the front. All right, so I used my Rapid Junior strips to tie it on my hair, and you're not going to be tying it too tight because you don't want it to move or shift any of the waves that you created. So you're going to tie it lightly. I like to use the Rapid Junior strips because they're buildable and I can place them exactly where I need them. I'll use the big ones, the Mega Wrap strips, if I have them, or sometimes if I'm not doing any waves, I can just put it all over my head. But anyway, the point is I like the small ones because they are buildable. So I went under the dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you do not have a dryer and you have a pixie cut and you do your pixie cut at home, please get one. I recommend that you get one. It makes the dry time so much faster. It's so much convenient. And listen, when you have short hair, you're going to be washing and wrapping your hair very often. So you don't want to slow down the process because it can just slow down your day and you just need it to be convenient. So after I went under my hooded dryer, I went and put on some makeup, just beat my face because we were going out to a comedy show and I wanted to look super cute. So guys, I went to the hair store and picked up I want to call it a rake comb. This is a 3-in-1 comb, but basically what you need is a wide tooth comb. And if you don't have a wide tooth comb like this, but you have some stiletto or some pointy nails, some coffin shaped nails, it can do the exact same job. When I had my long nails, I used to do the same thing to kind of rake up my hair, but you just need something that is wide so that it breaks up the mold. It's going to break up the mold. It's going to give it some nice lines, so it gives it some more movement and some direction. And listen, I'm not going to lie. The mold looked absolutely beautiful, you know, before I broke it up with the comb. But we're going for something that has a little bit more volume and a lot of movement and something that looks softer, nice and soft. So you do have the option of leaving the mold. I'm not going to lie. It looked fine before. But for the purpose of this video, I want to show you guys how this one tool can, you know, kind of zhuzh it up and make it look like you even put like a pencil flat iron in your hair. So I'm gonna link like everything that I use below, of course. Most of my products I get from the beauty supply store, but if you don't have access to it, then Amazon always has an option. Another important, crucial product is your moisturizing lotion. So this is the olive oil cream hairdress, and I really love a good moisturizing lotion because one, it gives the hair the sheen that it needs. It also helps to weigh down your hair, and when I mean weigh it down, not in a bad way, in a good way, so that it's not so light and airy. So you know when the wind blows after you style your hair and then it messes up the whole thing? The moisturizing lotion kind of locks it in and it makes it heavier so that, you know, let's say I put on a shirt, throw it over my head, the whole style is not crushed, you know? It kind of gives it like a nice weight, kind of locks it in. And like I said, it gives it like a nice sheen and it makes it look and feel moisturized and hydrated. So if you don't have a moisturizing lotion or a cream hairdress, please get you one. And the one I like to use is this one, like I mentioned. And there are other ones for sure, but just do your research and get one that suits you the best. So honestly, that's all you needed. One rake comb or wide tooth comb and some moisturizing lotion. As long as you have the face framing mold, guys, it's gonna make it look like you did a whole bunch. It's gonna make it look like you put even a styling tool in your hair, like a hot tool, but we didn't. So this is pretty much the finished look. I got movement, I got some style, some character, personality. Listen, you can wear this on a daily. This could be something that you can zhuzh up if you're going on a date, dinner, wedding, in my opinion. And you just want to do something different from your basic straight mold. Anyways, let me know if you found this video helpful. Also, don't be afraid to share with a friend that you think would also find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.